In this video we will demonstrate interference effect in polarization twister. It occurs due to the formation of standing wave between the transmitter's horn antenna and the twister. Let's start by placing the receiver at 45-degree direction from normal line of the twister. By moving the transmitter closer to the twister, the signal strength varies periodically. At longer distance, the effect of interference is significantly reduced. In previous video, we have shown that the twister splits the horizontal signal into two directions. We can make the signal going to the other direction to interfere with the received signal using a reflector. By moving the reflector, we can change the intensity read by receiver. Let's explore the twister's behavior on reflection. Now the transmitter and receiver are on the same side of the twister face, located 45 degrees from its normal line. We get no horizontal signal in the receiver. But when a reflector is placed behind the twister, we can get non-zero intensity on the receiver. Although it's very small, it's still noticeable.